Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So this is my first recorded makeup look. I've done other makeup looks, but this will be the first one I've recorded on someone else. So for this look today, we're just going for a very natural, soft glam, nothing too crazy. We just want to give some pizzazz. So that's what I did here today. All the products used, my client actually already had them. I'm vacationing in Florida right now, so I didn't have my makeup kit. So some of the products I won't have the name for, but what I do have the name for, I'll link in the description box below. So I did start off camera, and the very first thing I did was prep the skin with Pore Grip primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and then I went ahead with the eyebrows. So she did have lighter eyebrows, and so what I did was I did use the eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Palace. I went ahead with like their darkest brown, and I went ahead and outlined the eyebrows, but I also used a black eyebrow pencil, but I didn't go in too deeply with it because we don't want Sharpie eyebrows. And then I used e.l.f. Camo Concealer to shape the eyebrows, and that's what I'm blending in right about now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this green Juvia's palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and lightly begin to put the eyeshadow on the eyelid. So I don't really have a direct direction. I learned from Lachey Glams on YouTube. She has really good YouTube videos, but she talks about like just lightly putting on the product. So I just basically started with a nude type of eyeshadow color, and then I went ahead with a darker eyeshadow color after that one. And then for the middle, I'm going to be using like this pink, it's like a light pink glitter color. But there was really no direct order into which I did this. I just did it according to what made sense to me and what I thought looked nice. So one thing about eyeshadow, even when you're mimicking other people's looks, it's hard to do. So you have to do like what works for you and what's going to be your signature look. So now the lashes are being applied. So what we're going to do is make sure that the lashes are on the waterline. I did use Duo Quick Set glue. I love the glue because once it turns purple, that's how you know it's good to put on. But that's what I did when applying the lashes, and I also used my hand. I didn't have any tweezers, so we used the hands to clamp and to style, and look how beautiful they looked. So now we're going to be applying foundation. So my client had this cream foundation. I never used cream foundation in my life. So y'all, this was literally an experiment to me, and I'm like, OMG, I think I love it. I love how it's spread it out. I'm applying this foundation with the Real Techniques brush. I love Real Technique brushes. They're only like $20, $15 to $20 at Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, but these brushes are thebomb.com. And I just basically started applying throughout the entire face, and as I'm applying, I'm just like gently patting it in her face, and look how it's just going on like so effortlessly. I love this shade, I love this color, it just truly looks amazing. Alright, so now I've taken e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm going to be highlighting the face. So I'm going to do under the eyes, and I'm going to do at the chin. So I didn't do at the forehead this time because sometimes they don't be blending right for me. So I'm just like, let me do the like barest minimum highlight, so it just still gives like that natural look. So I'm just going to be taking a blending brush. I'm not taking a super large brush, and I'm just going to pat it in under the eyes, pat it into her skin, and just to make it look flawless and to look naturally highlighted, because that's the look we want to go for. This is the concealer my client already had. I probably would have chose like a shade slightly darker, like one shade darker, but I still think this worked perfectly for a clean highlight for that natural beat though. Okay, so for the contour, we used a stick from Juvia's Palace. I believe this is a concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the forehead, and then we're gonna put it on the sides of the cheeks. So this is what we use for the contour. I didn't put like too much, like I put just enough. And we're also going to use Juvia's Palace highlighting palette, and we use like there is a pinker looking shade. So this is what we got for the final look. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the black opal setting powder. And so this is going to basically, it's really going to act like the banana powder, but it's going to help set the concealer, and it'll also help with the brightening of the face. And so I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in that setting powder. Y'all see how beautiful her face is just looking? Like, she literally looks amazing just sitting there. She looks the bomb.com, and I'm just loving it. Okay, so now we are doing the final touches, and we are just going to go ahead and outline the lips. So she didn't have any lip liner, but what we did use was NYX Butter Gloss, and I did use the darkest eyeshadow color from the Juvia's palette, and I went ahead and outlined the lips with that, and then I applied a little pink, you know, just to give it a little nude color. Okay, so everybody, this is the final look, and how does she look? She looks amazing. I just love how flawless this look looks. Guys, what is it giving for the beginner stage? Like, let me know something. But thank you guys for watching so much. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.